everyone, I'm Duffy with Simply Duffy, and if you're new here, then please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. And if you are already a subscriber, then welcome back. Today's DIY project I am really excited to show you. I really love the farmhouse look. So today I'm going to show you how I made this farmhouse scroll. I'm really excited to show you how I made this. I love how it turned out. It's really easy to make. I've seen it all over Pinterest and I just knew I had to give it a try, and I love how it turned out. So if you want to see how I made it, then continue watching. Okay, to make this scroll sign, I need a few supplies here. I am using twine, also called jute, and it is the thicker kind. Also, I was going to use these small magnets for the bottom of my scroll sign, but they did not end up working, so I used paper clips instead. And I'm going to need craft paper, and I got this craft paper roll from the Dollar Tree actually, so I got that for $1. And the size is 30 inches by 15 feet. Also, I'm going to need a little squeegee, and also I have my sign quote here, and I have cut this out onto vinyl, and I used my Silhouette Cameo to cut this out. If you would like a tutorial on how to do that, then I can make a video. Just leave a comment down below. Also, I already have the transfer tape on top of my vinyl for my application process. I'm going to roll my craft paper out some, and I'm going to roll the bottom portion up a few rolls, and I'm going to take these clothespins and I am going to secure my rolls in place. Now I'm going to roll out my craft paper here, and I'm going to take my vinyl lettering on the transfer paper, and I'm going to take my ruler and measure out and make sure that it's going to be placed evenly onto the craft paper. I am going to use a white wax pencil. This is optional. I am just using it to measure out my distance between the top part of the sign and the sides of the sign. Then I'm going to take my vinyl lettering and place it on top of the craft paper and line it up with my markings. And then I'm going to take my little squeegee and just start burnishing the vinyl lettering onto the sign. Now I'm going to take the transfer tape off of my vinyl lettering, and I am going to go slow as to not rip my craft paper. Although it looks like I'm going kind of fast, I've actually sped this up a little bit, this part, so any letters that do come up, I am just placing them back down. Now I'm going to take the bottom portion of my wording and do exactly the same thing that I did with the top portion by measuring it out and placing it and burnishing it on with the squeegee and slowly removing the transfer tape. Now I'm going to take an eraser and erase the markings that I used to line up my wording onto my sign. Now the final step is to add the twine onto the sign, and I am going to take the twine and feed it through the top scroll and bring that out through the bottom, well, the other side. Then I'm going to cut that, tie it into a knot, and then I'm going to take the knot and move it to the inside of the scroll. I was going to use these small magnets to secure the bottom roll of the scroll where I have the clothespins, but instead they did not work, so I am using these paper clips, and I'm just going to paper clip it onto the bottom of the scrolls to secure the roll in place. So that is how easy it is to make this DIY farmhouse scroll sign, and I really love how it turned out. If you do too, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.